Semangat pagi, dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silakan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini kembali kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris untuk translation part kedua. Seperti biasa, saya selalu menampilkan 51 judul. Baik, kita langsung saja menyaksikan kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris translation part kedua. Yang pertama, The Comparison Analysis of Swearing Words Used by Ivanov, English Translation Theater Script and Indonesian Translation Theater Script. 2. The comparison of using communicative language teaching and grammar translation method in teaching the present perfect tense at the senior high school. 3. The correlation between studies, grammatical ability, and translating skill. 4. The correlation between student vocabulary mastery and their English-Indonesian translation ability in recount text. 5. The correlation between student vocabulary mastery and their translation ability of the second-year student of senior high school. 6. The correlation between the ability of reading and translating of the students of English Education Department of Teaching of Teacher Training and Education Faculty. 7. The correlation between the reading comprehension and the translation ability of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 8. The correlation between vocabulary mastery and student translation ability in translation class of the 5th semester student of English Education Department. 9. The effect of the use of electronic dictionary and printed dictionary with grammar translation method of reading comprehension of the students of senior high school. 10. The effectiveness of it line translator to improve student writing skill in recount text. 11. The effectiveness of using throwing ball and Jeopardy games in the use of grammar translation method in teaching reading comprehension. 12. The equivalences translation of the Commission's utterances in Serdadu Kumbang by Rancho Dori Sujatmojo, an English-Indonesian novel. 13. The error analysis in translating English idiom into Indonesia made by the 4th semester student of English Department of University. 14. The error analysis of the use of personal pronoun in translating sentences at the 7th grade student of junior high school. 15. The influence of the student's mastery of verbs as a part of speech toward their translation ability for the 5th grade student of senior high school. 16. The influence of using Google Translate on student vocabulary mastery of the 11th grade student of junior high school. 17. The interpersonal meaning analysis of Daisies in the English translation of novel Dasamuka and its application in teaching writing. 18. The interpersonal meaning analysis of Directive Speech Act in English translation of novel Dasamuka and its application in teaching writing. 19. The interpersonal meaning analysis of elocution in the English translation of novel Dasamuka and its application in teaching writing. 20. The interpersonal meaning analysis of referring expression in the English translation of novel Dasamuka and its application in teaching writing. 21. The naturalness and accuracy of English short story translation into Indonesian at the second year student of junior high school. 22. The procedure of recent Metamor translation in Supernova, The Naik, The Princess, and The Falling Star, an Indonesian English novel. 23. The procedure of stock Metamor translation in novel A Game of Thrones by George R. Martin. 24. The semantic method to deal the implicit meaning translation on novel A Walk to Remember by Nicholas Sparks. 25. The strategies and ideology of idiom translation in novel of Diary Si Bocah Tengil, Orang Ketiga, Diary of Vivi Kid, The Cheer Well. 26. The translation analysis of implied organizational meaning of the novel Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Princess by J.K. Rowling in its Indonesian translation. 27. The translation collocation of accuracy of collocation in Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel Sherlock Holmes, The Hound of the Baskervilles. 28. The translation procedure of cultural words in novel Diary of V.V. Kidd, The Ugly Truth. 29. The translation procedure of cultural words in novel Percy Jackson, The Riddle of the Labyrinth by Rick Riordan. 30. The translation procedure of Egypt cultural words in novel Serpent's Shadow by Rick Riordan from English to Indonesian. 31. The translation strategy and accuracy of English idiom into Indonesian in the Great Gatsby novel. 32. The translation strategy of English Indonesian idiomatic expression in the Life We Bury novel by Hilmi Akmal. 33. The translation strategy of euphemism in Skama Row by John Grisham, an English Indonesian novel. 34. The translation strategy of idiomatic expression in novel Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Princess. 35. The translation strategy on non-equivalence of cultural-specific concept in novel. 36. The translation strategy on non-equivalence of idiomatic expression in novel Me Before You. 37. The translation techniques of Ronald Wesley's handwriting in Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them by J.K. Rowling. 38. The use of grammar translation method to improve the mastery of causative form of the 10th grade student of senior high school. 39. The use of trans language in pedagogical strategy in EFL classroom. 40. Translation thesis in the voyage of the Dawn Treader novel. 41. Translation method and meaning equivalent in the novel Encounter Mission Wish series by Terence Baker. 42. Translation of cultural words in novel Broken Verses by Kamil Samsi. 43. Translation of thesis in the voyage of the Dawn Treader novel. 44. Translation strategies of English idiomatic expression in Sherlock Holmes, The Sixth Death Chair film. 45. Translation strategies of polysemy words in English Indonesian Divergent novel. 46. Translation strategy of English idiomatic expression and its readability in The Adventures of Tom Sawyer novel by 2 Indonesian translators. 47. Translation strategy on Malay Pantun in Siti Nurbaya, a love unrealized novel by George A. Fowler. 48. Translation technique and its acceptability of Islamic term in Negeri Lima Menara novel. 49. Translation techniques of Indonesian cultural words and its accuracy in Laskar Pelangi novel. 50. Metamor translation procedures and meaning equivalence in long-lived form translated by M. Aan Mansur. 51. Translation accuracy of English idiomatic expression into Indonesian in inside and outside film subtitle. Terima kasih telah menonton kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris translation part kedua. Silahkan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Terima kasih.